So greetings, how you guys doing? Today we are going to find on Whisper speak recognition model for our own custom dataset. And I need to mention, guys, this is also end-to-end project, and this project will be in two videos. One for creating custom dataset. Second one is fine-tuning and testing. For this is video one. And first of all, why we use OpenAI Whisper for our speech recognition model. The reason one is it is highly accurate, and also it can recognize and transcribe over 19 languages effectively, and as well as Whisper is uses deep learning approach, making it highly adaptable to various accents and various environments.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget miniature motorcade of micro machines. Each one has dramatic details, terrific trim, precision paint jobs, plus incredible micro machine pocket play sets. There's a police station, fire station, restaurant, service station, and more. Perfect pocket portables to take any place. And there are
You can see, and as well as it can perform very well with overlapping speech, low quality audio with background noises. As well as I forgot to mention, Whisper is pre-trained with very large data sets. That's why we are choose OpenAI Whisper for our project. So next we need to prepare our own custom dataset. For this project, I will create our custom dataset step by step in this video, and also final dataset links are in the description. So firstly, to do this, we need record audio dataset with diverse examples of our voices, and that voices must be 16 kilohertz mono channel and waveform. So my recommendation is for recording audio file, Audacity. It's free and open source video recorder, and as well as very effective. Before recording our audio, we need to edit this setup a little bit. So you need to press Control plus play, and it will open preferences menu, and under the audio settings you need to add this channel option to mono, and as well as under the quality, project sample rate is 16 kilohertz, default sample rate also 16 kilohertz, and default sample format is 16-bit. That's all. Click OK, and after that you can record your own voice data for our dataset. So I need to mention we need at least so I need to mention we need at least 600 diverse samples for fine tune this model. So after recording our voices, we can store it like this. So this is my sample voices for our dataset, and there are 600 voices. Some voices are mine, and some my friends. So after the recording audio files, we need to transcribe our dataset. So we can transcribe our dataset in two formats. First one is as JSON format. Second one as text file. In this project, I will go with JSON format. The reason why I choose JSON format for our project, maybe we will have additional metadata for each audio file in future, and also frameworks require structured format. JSON format is a structured format, and if we go with JSON format, we can easier to add more data to our dataset, and also structured formats are integrate seamlessly with fine-tuning pipelines. That's why I am choose JSON format for this project. So let's transcribe it as JSON format. So for that we need create a project. So let's create a new folder here. to go. And let's open our IDE, uh, and let's open our project here. Okay, now we are good to go. So for transcribe our dataset, we need at all our wave file data to this JSON format. To do this, let's open a new Python file. Voices JSON. Okay. Now with this Python script, we are going to add all our voice details into the JSON file. So if you don't know what is the JSON format, it will appear here. You can see now. So to do this, we need to do some code. First, we need to let's see our data set. Okay, you can see here. Uh, there are in last part there are 6 student names as Ifat, Isuru, and Minidu, Shamod, Vakesh, Vishwa. There are 6 students and 4 tools uh, like let's go to top, and you can see curved scissors and as well as scalpel handle and straight scissors, and lastly tweezers. So uh, the name format is let's say uh, curved scissors effect 1 dot wave, curved scissors isuru 3 dot wave, curved scissors isuru 17 dot wave. So we need to add these names to our JSON file. So we can't add these all 600 data to our JSON one by one. So that's why we need create Python script for it. So firstly, we need to define our tool names and student names. Let's say okay, and let's get as students. So I mentioned there are 6 students. So they are 0, but Rakesh here. So as Shamad, so, uh, we need to here, and lastly Vishwa. So these are dataset students name and what are the tools. Let's get tools here. As tools we have scalpel handle, tweezers, after that we have curved scissors, lastly we have straight scissors here. So straight scissors. Okay, we are good to go. And after that, so as you can see, let's get into our audio files. You can see there are 25 audio files each element from each student. You can say code scissors if 1 to code scissors if 25 and code scissors isuru 1 to code scissors isuru 25 like that. So and we also need to mention how many recordings per tool. So let's get variable here as recording per tool. I think it's okay. Let's say recordings. Good to go. Recordings per tool is 25. Okay, and after that we need to create our JSON structure. So we can create it like this. So let's get this. Tool tools. Yeah, for tool in tools. For student students. We are good to go. For so range from 1 1 2 uh, plus. Okay, let's say our JSON file name. Okay, let's say okay, I dot so wait, so this is our uh, audio file name. You can see firstly our tool name, after student name, and after I here the range here. So the audio file format is waveform. Uh, let's we say so uh, say data append append is variable here. Text. Okay, let's do and let's voice let's say creating some structure. Okay, we are good to go. And after creating structure, we need to save our JSON file. Uh, to save, let's get variable here. Let's say out file. Let's say voice. Say yes. Yeah. Okay. And say with file as write mode here. We need to write our names in our JSON file. It's F. Okay. And let's let's put the in this. Okay. Lastly, okay. Let's add a simple print statement here. Let's say print say JSON file created JSON file. That's enough. And file name of file file here. So now we are good to go. Okay. Let's run this and see what happens. Okay, we can see here JSON file created voice dataset and we can see here our JSON file. Yeah, you can see there are 600 inputs here. So this is our first JSON file. So this is not we are used for training. We need further divide this into training, validation, and testing. So as I mentioned earlier, if we need create a data set, we need split these 600 data into three sections. First one for training. In this training sector data, for where our model learns from, and as well as we need a validation sector for fine-tune hyperparameters, and as well as testing sector. We need testing sector to measure how well our model works with totally unseen data. That's why we need these three parts. As the percentage of all data, actually we can divide it into 70 to 80% for training data, 10 to 15% for validation, as well as 10 to 15% for testing. So before we divide data into these three sectors, we need to randomly shuffle these all 600 data. With shuffling, we can ensure there are no bias how we are split our data. For in this case, there are 600 data. I will divide it into 400 for training and 64 testing, and as well as 64 validation. So let's move on then. For shuffling and splitting, uh, let's get another Python script here. Let's say shuffling splitting. Yeah. So before shuffle and split actual voice files, uh, we can actually shuffle and split this JSON file into respective three JSON files for testing, validation, and trade. After that, respect to testing, validation, and trading JSONs, we can divide our actual voice data into that particular sector. So first, let's divide this voice data.json file into three respective testing, validation, and trading JSONs. For do this, firstly, we got import this voice dataset.json file. Actually, we have issue here. Yeah, this format is incorrect. So, so J is and we need delete this file, and let's rerun this. Yeah. Now let's create actual data set. Actual JSON file. You can see these text are highlighted. Okay. Now we are good to go. So uh, let's code this Python script. Let's say JS and import random. After that, we need load our voice dataset JSON file here. So let's say it's dataset.json. Yeah, it's good. Uh, we open voice dataset.json file in read mode as dataset file. Okay, and let's get data. It is dot load here. Dataset. Okay, we are good. There are some issue here. Good. Okay, we are good to go now. And after that, we will shuffle our data. So let's say shuffle the data. Let's get dot c2 and okay. We add this line for reproducibility. And random shuffle data. Okay. So after this, we need to split our data. So let's say splitting here. Let's get total samples here. Data. Okay. After that, let's say train split. Get 0.8 here. I already told that 0.8 of total samples. Uh, Total samples length is 600. So 0.8 of 600. That's this one, say. And for validation split, zero point 0.9, 0.9 to this one. That's it. And say train train data equals data. So train split. Okay. And validation data. Validation is split. No, not validation is split. So, yeah. Okay. For test data, say equals say data validation. Okay, I think we are correct here. And after that, we need again save our train validation and testing JSON files. For that, let's say open say train, yeah, say train.json. Okay, as train.json, yeah, we are yeah, train.json, and we need to open it as write mode. In write mode, and in write mode as in file. Okay, and let's say json dot down dot down, yeah, train data file here. Let's say first. Oh, okay, so we need to do this. See, see, and we need this train to this was well, um, radiation. Okay, so, and again we can paste here. This, paste here. Paste, paste here. Okay, lastly, let's also add a print statement here. Say print uh, data set is successfully split. Okay, okay. Now let's run this and see. Yeah, you can see here dataset is successfully splitted, and also you can see here there are three new JSON files for testing and also training. This is large one. Lastly, validation. Okay, then after that, we need to use these three JSON files. Okay, we need to use these three JSON files to split actual voice recordings into these three respective sectors. So after that, we need to devise these uh, wave files uh, to their respective sectors. So we need another Python script here, and let's say, so let's say path to directories. Okay, uh, now let's add this voice data file. Copy of here. Okay, we are good to go. And audio source here, just paste here. Okay, and uh, now that we need uh, these three these directories, uh, if they are not exist, so let's say, so, okay, now we are need to create a function to move files, move audio files. So let's say, That's all. Now let's run this script and see what happens. Okay, we can see copy everything, and you can see there are new folders. Each folder have their respective audios, and they are matched exactly with these their respective JSON files. And so this is our dataset, guys. This dataset we use to fine tune our whisper model. So that part is for another video. So until then, take care and peace. Bye bye.